Talk to me about your spiritual stuff. I can see some crystals around your neck.
I love it. Like I love it. Like I do my crystals. Yeah, I got my amethyst, birthstone, got me pink quartz and me labradorite. I love crystals and I love spirituality, and so I get readings done for me. I do readings for other people, angel cards, tarot cards, and I'm just learning about it now because now I'm off the meds and my medication, also the drugs. I'm tapping in spiritually, and I've had an awakening of sorts the last 4 months. You know, it's huge.
What led you to that?
The breakup I had, yeah. Because like I know, like for me, early recovery, I was in a relationship, and when she broke up with me, I had to be by myself. And when you sit with yourself, and you have no other, you know, externals to make you validate you and make you feel good.
Yeah,
you have to then make yourself feel good. So I went and got readings done for me at the Mystical Dragon in Seaford.
yeah.
You know, and yeah, it's just cool. And they said you're very gifted yourself spiritually, and they said you need to open up, meditate, and do this whole stuff. And I have been, and it's really beautiful. You know, it's really huge. Like I was doing I cleanse people's energy with all this wonderful, like I've got it all in my bag, Palo Santo and all that stuff. Like when I do a reading, I hold the tourmaline hand palm and the other one I got. Like I say, are you massaging me? I'm like, no, I'm going around with the smoke. Like, and they feel it. Like it's crazy when you get energy. Energy is huge. We're all energy.
Did you inherit that?
Mum was gifted. Like mum was very gifted. She was very spiritual. You know, like she was a powerful medium. So like all that stuff, and she was a healer, and like she was awesome, man. Like she didn't do that much when after we got, like I was a bit older and a bit born. Like but I know she was very gifted spiritually. Like my mum's mate told me what all the stuff she did. You know, and like
so do you think that's her presenting herself in spirit?
Well, the card my sister gave me my mum's tarot cards, I say about 6 months ago, and said, "Yeah, they got mum's cards there." And like when I do a reading with mum's cards, I can feel her presence just over my right shoulder, and like, so I was doing I'll just happy to just quickly say this. So I was doing a reading for a mate, and his name's Aaron, and like he was he doesn't look like a swimmer. He does not look like a swimmer, you know. And he goes, so I'm doing the reading, and I hear mum whispering me to say something about swimming. So I said, yeah. I said, all right. So I stopped the reading. I said, look, you got to do something around swimming, bro.
Yeah.
And he goes, what do you mean? And he froze. He goes, I used to be like do lifesaving. I used to help like people teach kids how to swim and disabled kids and all that. And he froze. He said, oh, you know, it was huge for him. And like,
is he in recovery as well?
No, he struggles like he wants to be. I just found out he's not well. Yeah, but he's really got a good heart, and I really love it.
And you're able to then give him a little bit of hope and direction.
That's what it's all about. That's what spirituality is about. It's about, you know, we're all energy and spreading a high vibration, and like positivity is huge, you know. And that's what the beautiful thing about NA is. We're all there to lift each other up.
Yes,
you know. Like it's good for my spirituality. Like if I walk into a room and someone shares that they're happy and all this shit, I can read straight through that if they're not.
Yeah.
And I'll go up to them after a meeting. I'll be like, "You're right," and they'll either say, "No, I'm not." You know, it's pretty. I love this spiritual side because it's a spiritual based program. You know, we don't say, "Oh, you got to believe in God. You have to believe in, you know, whatever you believe in. You don't have to be this and that." But you will get in touch with a high power when you get clean, and it can be whatever you want. But at the end of the day, for me, like I know mum's always my protector and watching over me, and I've got the spirit team, but I'd be dead. Or if there wasn't a high power, I'd definitely be dead by now. You know.
Can I ask you more about your higher power or your concept of it?
It's pretty. Yeah.
You don't have to.
No, I can. I'll get into it. Like, so I believe that you know, we're all energy. You know, universal spirit, whatever you want to call it, high source, sun, moon, whatever. Like, I'm very spiritual, so. And I also believe that, like, there's people in this life, soul purpose, like high timeline, all that sort of stuff. So, for instance, like, people that have been through the trials and tribulations have put here for a purpose. Yeah. Like, and like chosen ones or earth angels, whatever you want to call them. Good people to show love, you know, who have lived in the pits of hell and come out and now want to help people. Spread the message of recovery, for instance, like you do. You know, even open up a meeting, or you know, or work as a mental health nurse that actually gives a shit. You know, like there's people that have been through the pits of hell that have reforged and come back that purely just want to help others, you know?
Yeah.
And for me, that's huge. For me, I could either gone and just hated everyone for my whole life. Everyone. I could have just been an evil prick. Because I've been to those depths of hell, I now want to help other people from stopping them going there, or pull them out of the fire. I'm very passionate about it, man. And that's why I meditate every morning, because I raise my frequency, you know, and your gratitude's huge, you know. Gratitude to the universe, the spirit for your journey, you know, it's huge.